how patient they wait to be fed. The birds, they don't even worry because they know that they're going to be fed. They don't worry, they don't fret. Look at them, they just sit there. And they know that they will be fed. I think it's something beautiful about being a bird. They don't worry about anything. I'm not going to say that they rely on, but I would say that they appreciate the generosity of human beings. Leaving food, throwing them food. And they are always taken care of. When I saw this flock of birds, I also started thinking your flock is waiting to be fed. Your flock is ready to be fed. Your flock is waiting for you to feed them. So take that as it resonates.